Save your home from foreclosure. Protecting your investment, your family, and your future with mortgage arbitration. Who is Lender Defense Group? How would you like to have equity in your home again? If Lender Defense Group could offer you a new mortgage at 80% of today's market value, would that solve your problems? We can offer homeowners a brand new loan for up to 30 years, regardless of what you currently owe, your income, or your credit score. Lender Defense Group, LDG, is a real estate investment consulting firm partnered with a private equity hedge fund and a law firm with the sole purpose of helping homeowners retain their homes using the Florida land trust laws and predatory lending statutes. Best of all, the process has zero risk and is virtually free to the homeowner. Foreclosure facts. Your alleged bank, servicer, or pretender lender may not have a valid right to collect payments on your loan or have the authority to foreclose. 85% of loans were originated, serviced, or held in non-compliant manner. The real estate collapse has left millions of homeowners underwater, owing up to 50% more than what their home is currently worth. Banks and lenders may have lied, cheated, or even committed fraud in order to foreclose on your home. Lenders have proven this by intentionally destroying, losing, or fraudulently reproducing required documents. The bank's incompetent actions. Banks had no quality control in their underwriting department to validate and verify the correctness of documents. Banks sold loans on large bundles with no accountability for required documentation. Many required documents were lost or intentionally destroyed in the bundling and sales process. Banks have tried to reproduce these original documents and in doing so have broken the law and committed fraud. What can homeowners do? The solution is to find a professional that understands exactly what state and federal statutes the banks have broken and how to hold the banks accountable. LDG and our partner law firms use these violations and other resources to quiet, cancel, or satisfy the previous mortgage and obtain a new, more affordable loan and mortgage with built-in positive equity. You can now take affirmative action in order to regain control of your home and your future. You can hold lenders responsible for their actions. Whether you're current on your payments or already in the foreclosure process, LDG may be able to help you. Benefits to homeowner. The homeowner can save their home by making the new, lower loan payments. Homeowner retains 20% equity in their home under the new loan, and now it becomes an asset again instead of a liability. On-time mortgage payments are reported to 3 credit bureaus to begin building credit again. There are no prepayment penalties on the new loan, allowing the homeowner to choose to sell the home immediately and realize the gain from the new equity created. Typical mortgage arbitration scenario. A home with a current mortgage balance of $700,000 and a current market value of $500,000. Current equity is negative $200,000 plus interest, late fees, and attorney fees. Approximately 120 days after signing with LDG, homeowner will have a new mortgage of $400,000, almost 50% reduction in principal. With a property value of $500,000, the homeowner now has $100,000 in positive equity in the home. Who qualifies for mortgage arbitration? Florida Land Trust. Florida law provides numerous legal benefits to property owners who use land trusts. The sole purpose of the Fidelity Land Trust Company is to make those legal benefits available to clients. A land trust is an entity that will hold legal and equitable interest in the home, with the homeowner being the beneficial owner of the land trust. This gives the owner an interest in personal property, land trust, not real property. The homeowner cannot have interest in real property for these negotiations to work. The mortgage arbitration process. Lender Defense Group, LDG, as the real estate investment consultant, secures a title search to determine if your property qualifies for the mortgage arbitration. This is an $85 fee. If accepted, borrower prepays 3 months of new mortgage payments and completes all necessary documentation to begin the process. Homeowner transfers property into a new land trust provided by the law firm. Homeowner is the sole beneficiary of the land trust. LDG uses its hedge fund and law firm to obtain a new mortgage at 80% LTV, creating instant equity for homeowner and a 30 to 60% lower mortgage payment. Arbitration complete. After receiving the new mortgage, the homeowner can sell, rent, or live in their home. This process does not affect the promissory note between the homeowner and the original lender. In most cases, the original note has been lost or destroyed and cannot be enforced. Arbitration timeline. Within 48 hours, title search and qualification process is completed. Within 7 days, documents are drafted and signed. Closing takes place at client's home or title company office. Between 90 and 120 days, final closing takes place where the client pays closing costs and assumes new mortgage payment, during which time new mortgage payments must be made on time. Documentation needed. Land trust setup forms. As-is sale agreement. Land trust terms of service. Land trust agreement with disclaimers. Warranty deed to land trust. Non-disclosure agreement. New note. New mortgage including disclaimer of recording costs and timeline. Common questions. Question. Will this affect my credit? Answer. In the same way as a short sale or a foreclosure. There may be an outstanding personal liability that may be cleared as an additional service. Question. Can the bank take my home away or attach judgments against my house? Answer. No. The home is protected by the new land trust. Question. Do I ever lose control of my house? Answer. No. You always have control over the property unless you choose to do a cash for keys program. Question. Will I get insurance on the title? Answer. Insurance will be provided on all transactions to protect our clients. Question. What if I can't afford the first payments up front? Answer. If you cannot afford the first 3 payments, you will most likely not be able to afford the new mortgage. The best option for a person in this position is to select the Cash for Keys program and get a fresh start rather than end up with nothing and a foreclosure. Question. Are there any fees? Answer. Other than the initial title search fee of $85, LDG covers all legal and processing fees to complete the mortgage arbitration process. Question. Is there anything that can be done to fix the personal liability? Answer. Yes, we can work with our law firm to remove the liability from your credit profile. Contact us direct at 888-995-6624 or visit us at www.lenderdefensegroup.com.